Noon, below 8, no criminal liability yan. Below 9 rather. I'm sorry, below 9. Above 9, under 12, tignan ng fiscal o ano, if there is really malice or a violent character. Noon, 12 hanggang 16, apply na yung law. Pero usually, yung bata talagang nire-release. Here comes Pangilinan. You know what the guy did? Yung problema natin ngayon. Yung mga hold-upper, yun yung nakikita ninyo noon na sa Dewey Boulevard. Nakikita ninyo nag-snatch, takbo dito, takbo doon, nakukuha sa camera. And do you know, I said, why they are so bold to do that, daring? Because they have been previously, sa experience nila, under the Pangilinan law. Hindi ka makulong. Hindi ka makulong.
Hindi ka makulong.
Eh kung yung 15 years old, papasok ka ng bahay, sasaksakin ka, patayin ka, tapos kunin mo yung kinuha yung pera. Pagdating doon sa stasyon, sabihin ng police, report ng recorded, go where you want. That increase the number of crime tenfold. Fiscal na ako noon. Sabi ko, napakagago mo.